Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can kill rose bugs using home remedy. Now if you look at this, there are quite a lot of bugs in this rose branch, so I'm going to show you how to use some of the home remedies to get rid of it. Okay, the easiest way is to use dishwashing liquid and water, and we're going to spray it. It is one of the simplest and safest ways to kill or repel rose bugs like aphids, Japanese beetles, or thrips. So here's how to do it properly so you don't harm your roses. So with the ingredient, we have 1 liter of water, and we mix with 1 teaspoon of mild dish washing liquid. Here I'm using Morning Fresh, or you can use Palmolive or whatever that dishwashing liquid that you have in your country. Okay, so here I have 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid, and this is just 500 ml, so we're going to add in another 500 ml. So give it a good stir. Okay, next I'm going to pour this into a spray bottle. So you need at least 1 liter of water with 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. Okay, so mix the soap and water gently in a spray bottle. Now remember, don't shake too hard or will foam. After we're going to spray directly onto the bug and the affected parts of the plant, especially under the leaves and around the new buds. Now we need to leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to rinse the plant with clean water to avoid soap build-up that could burn the leaves. Now it is best to only spray in the morning or late afternoon and avoid full sun to prevent leaf scorch. And we're going to repeat this every 3 to 5 days until you no longer see bugs. If it rains, we apply it since the mixture washes her off. And for stronger infestations, you can add 1 teaspoon of neem oil or white vinegar, around half a teaspoon per liter, which both help repel insects naturally. Okay, so let's spray. So again, spray around the leaves and the new buds right here. You can see there are quite a lot of them. So just spray it on and continue to spray all of the roses. And we go to the next one. Here I've got the red roses. You want to spray on that as well. Okay, so after sometimes we're going to spray fresh water on to wash off the dishwashing liquid. Here I'm just going to wash it off. So wash it off with water and you're good to go. Now again, repeat this every 2 to 3 days. Thank you for watching this video.